Let us study the general characters of the reptiles. सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे कि इनका habitat कैसा है, कहाँ पर मिलेंगे. So because they are well suited to live on land, so predominantly they will be terrestrial. They will have mostly creeping or burrowing type of habitat. ज़्यादातर जो हैं ये वाले organisms carnivorous होते हैं. And another important feature is that they are always air breathing. And these are cold-blooded, or you can say that they do not regulate their temperature internally. So they are actually ectotherms and not endotherms like you and birds. Another thing is they are going to lay eggs. So they will be oviparous mostly. And if limbs are present, there will be 4 limbs. So they are tetrapodal vertebrates. So they will have a vertebral column. If we see their body, so their body will be bilaterally symmetrical. And you can mainly divide it into 4 regions. There will be a head, then a neck, then the main body part, that is trunk, followed by a tail. Let's talk about their limbs. Their limbs are in 2 pairs. We are calling them tetrapodal. And they are going to have 5 digits, hence the term pentadactyl. Penta means 5, dactyl means digits. So their limbs will be paired and usually they are going to have 5 toes. And these digits are going to have horny claw-like structures. But as you all know, there are certain reptiles which do not have limbs. Example is snakes. Snakes do not have limbs. There are certain lizards also without limbs. Then we talk about their exoskeleton, that is the outer layer. It is going to have horny एपिडर्मल स्केल्स. एपिडर्मिस से ओरिजिनेट होते हैं, एपिडर्मल डेरिवेटिव्स होते हैं जो आप स्नेक की बॉडी पे देखते हो, दोज आर स्केल्स. उसी में डिफरेंट तरह की टर्म यूज होती हैं. वी कॉल सर्टेन स्ट्रक्चर्स एज शील्ड्स, देन देर आर प्लेट्स एंड देर आर स्क्यूट्स. मोस्टली इनकी स्किन जो है वो ड्राई होगी, कॉर्निफाइड होगी एंड इट डज नॉट हैव ग्लैंड्स. नाउ इफ वी टॉक अबाउट देयर एंडोस्केलेटन यानी इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर, सो इट इज मेड ऑफ बोन्स, बोनी होता है. एंड the important part is their skull, यानी कि जो आपके ब्रेन के चारों तरफ बोन्स होती हैं, that has only 1 occipital condyle. So this type of skull is known as monocondylic skull. This is an important character of reptiles. इसके अलावा there is going to be a characteristic T-shape interclavicle bone which is present in their pectoral girdle. Then if we talk about their heart, so they have 3-chambered heart, with one special exception, that is in the case of crocodiles, they have 4-chambered heart just like us. Usually they will have one pair of aortic arches, and their systemic and pulmonary circulations are separated. They also have red blood cells or red blood corpuscles. These will be oval in shape and they will have nucleus in them. हमारे RBCs कैसे होते हैं? We have biconcave RBCs without a nucleus. And I already told you they are ectotherm. So you can say they are cold-blooded animals. They do not thermoregulate their body temperature. Endotherm नहीं होते हैं, ectotherm होते हैं. Then coming to the waste removal. They have metanephric type of kidney जो कि pairs में होती हैं. And to conserve water, इनमें uric acid is the main nitrogenous waste product. Then if we talk about their nervous system, इनके nervous system में optic lobes mainly आपको दिखाई देंगी on the dorsal side of brain, and they have 12 pair of cranial nerves. Then if we talk about reproduction, there is sexual dimorphism. These sexes are separate. And another important feature in reproduction here is, I already explained to you how amniotic egg has led to evolution of such creatures. They are going to have internal fertilization. And to make the eggs well equipped to survive in the dry conditions, the eggs will always be enveloped by a thick leathery or calcareous type of shell. Then there are 3 extra embryonic membranes which I already explained to you, namely amnion, chorion and allantois. Also, there are no larval stages here. Fully formed organisms are going to emerge out of eggs. There will be no larval forms. Let us see respiration in reptiles. They show pulmonary type of respiration, so lungs are present. In the digestive system, there is terminal mouth with simple conical teeth in jaws. Turtles have beaks. In the alimentary canal, there is stomach, intestine and a single cloacal chamber with one opening, which is cloacal aperture. Interestingly, they have fangs in the snakes for venom. Not all snakes are poisonous. Their salivary gland is modified into venom glands in the poisonous snakes. You can see here. I would like to leave you with a question here. We all know snakes are poisonous, but are lizards poisonous? I want you to find out.